Meaning of hydrogen peroxide.
Hydrogen peroxide.
Hydrogen peroxide.
Hydrogen peroxide.
Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a chemical compound with the formula H2O2, which is a pale blue liquid in its pure form. It is used as a strong oxidizing agent in bleach, as well as an antiseptic and disinfectant. When hydrogen peroxide comes into contact with living tissue or other organic materials, it decomposes into water and oxygen gas. This makes it useful for removing stains from clothing or surfaces, sterilizing medical equipment, and whitening teeth. However, it should be handled with care as it can also cause skin irritation and chemical burns.